Welcome to Flux, our YouTube channel. Are you tired of straining your eyes playing mobile games on a small screen? Or maybe you just want to enjoy your favorite mobile games with the precision of a keyboard and mouse. In today's video, I'll show you how to play mobile games on your Windows PC using emulators. Whether you love action games, strategy titles, or casual mobile games, playing them on a bigger screen can elevate your gaming experience. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which emulators to use, how to set them up, and how to optimize them for smooth and seamless gameplay. So let's get started. What are emulators? Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly cover what emulators are. An emulator is a software application that mimics the functionality of a mobile device on your computer. This allows you to run mobile apps and games on your PC, giving you access to a larger screen, enhanced performance, and more precise controls. Emulators essentially recreate a mobile environment on your PC while harnessing your computer's processing power. Popular choices for mobile gaming include BlueStacks, LDPlayer, NoxPlayer, and MEmu. Each emulator offers unique features, but they all provide a great way to bring your favorite mobile games to your desktop. Choosing the right emulator. The first step is to pick the emulator that best suits your needs. BlueStacks is one of the most popular options, offering a user-friendly interface and excellent performance for most Android games. LDPlayer is known for its lightweight design and gaming-focused optimizations, making it a great choice for high-performance gaming. NoxPlayer is perfect if you're looking for extensive customization options, and MEmu is ideal for gamers who need high compatibility with various games. Research the features of each emulator and decide which one fits your preferences and your PC's specifications. Downloading and installing the emulator. Once you've chosen an emulator, head over to its official website to download the software. For instance, if you opt for BlueStacks, simply visit BlueStacks.com and click on the Download BlueStacks button. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the emulator on your PC. The installation process is straightforward and shouldn't take more than a few minutes, depending on your system's speed. After installation, launch the emulator to start setting it up. Setting up the emulator. After launching the emulator for the first time, you'll need to log in with your Google account to access the Google Play Store. This step is essential for downloading mobile games and apps directly onto the emulator. Click on the Play Store icon, enter your Google credentials, and you're good to go. If you're concerned about privacy, you can create a separate Google account specifically for gaming purposes. Once logged in, you'll see a familiar Android interface where you can navigate to start downloading your favorite games. Downloading and playing games. With the emulator set up, it's time to download your games. Open the Google Play Store within the emulator and use the search bar to find your favorite titles like PUBG Mobile, Genshin Impact, or Free Fire. Click Install just like you would on your phone, and the game will download directly to the emulator. Once installed, you can launch the game from the emulator's home screen. Many emulators come with pre-configured key mappings for popular games, but you can always customize the controls in the settings to suit your playstyle. Optimizing performance. To ensure a smooth gaming experience, it's important to optimize the emulator's performance. Start by allocating more system resources to the emulator. Most emulators allow you to increase the number of CPU cores and RAM usage through their settings menu. This is especially useful for demanding games. Additionally, enabling virtualization technology in your PC's BIOS can significantly improve emulator performance. If your game still feels laggy, try lowering the graphics settings either in the emulator or within the game itself. Lastly, make sure your PC's GPU drivers are up to date for the best possible performance. of customizing controls. One of the best features of playing mobile games on a PC is the ability to use a keyboard and mouse, or even a controller. Most emulators have a built-in key mapping tool that lets you assign specific actions, like movement or shooting, to your keyboard keys. For example, in BlueStacks, you can drag and drop controls onto your keyboard layout for precise customization. Spend some time adjusting these settings to your liking. It'll make your gameplay experience much more enjoyable and intuitive. Why use emulators? You might be wondering, why not just stick to my phone? Well, emulators come with several advantages. First, playing on a larger screen improves both gameplay and visuals, especially for graphic-intensive games. Second, the precision of a keyboard and mouse is often superior to touch controls, giving you a competitive edge in fast-paced games. Finally, emulators allow you to multitask easily. You can game, work, or even stream from your PC without constantly switching devices. These benefits make emulators a great option for casual and serious gamers alike. And that's it. Now you know how to play mobile games on your Windows PC using emulators. Whether you choose BlueStacks, LDPlayer, NoxPlayer, or MEmu Play, these tools open up a whole new world of gaming possibilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and gaming tips. Let me know in the comments which emulator you'll be trying, or if you have any questions about setup or optimization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, good luck and peace.